Welcome back, everyone. Every year, Google hosts a massive event called Google I/O to flex its newest tech and convince developers to build for them. But let's be real. Unless your idea of a good time is to listening to executives say the word AI 80 times, you probably skipped it, correct? That's why I watched the whole thing for you. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 massive announcements that will actually change your life. We are talking about tools that will plan your entire vacation, automate the most boring chores, and make online shopping a little too easy. By the end of this, you will exactly know how to use these upgrades and save hours of daily busy work. Now let's get into it. First up is Gemini Omni. Now, you've probably seen AI video generators before, but this is completely different. Google is calling this a world model. What does that mean? It means Omni actually understands real-world physics and gravity. If you prompt it to drop a glass on the floor, it shatters exactly like it would in reality, rather than turning into a weird melting blob with 7 fingers. It's also fully multimodal. You can feed it a static photo, a voice note, and a text prompt all at once. It blends them into a flawless video. The best part? You just chat with it to make edits. Say change the background to a sunny beach and it updates instantly. No more spending your entire weekend trying to figure out how to edit a simple 5-second clip. Second is Gemini Spark. Spark is a personal AI agent designed to run 24/7 in the background of your life. It's basically the highly organized personal assistant we all desperately need but can't afford. You can give it a complex, long-term goals. Imagine telling Spark, monitor my inbox, draft polite replies to those emails I have been ignoring, and organize my schedule for the week. You can close your laptop, go to sleep. Third, Google dropped Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is now the default model powering the Google ecosystem, and its main selling point is raw, unadulterated speed. It runs 4 times faster than the competition. We all know the pain of staring at a loading screen when you just want a quick answer to a problem. With 3.5 Flash, the response happens in the blink of an eye. So now, the AI can completely misunderstand your specific prompt 4 times faster. I'm just kidding. It's incredibly smart and it's going to save you a ridiculous amount of waiting around. Fourth is a massive shift to the tool we use every single day, Google Search. Search is no longer just returning a list of blue links or quick summary at the top of the page. It has gone fully agentic. Instead of searching for information, you are now delegating tasks. For example, you can ask Google to plan a family vacation, find flight routes, book a hotel, and secure tickets to the zoo so the kids don't complain about being bored. Or you can have it scour the web to find the absolute best place to order a massive plate of paneer tikka masala or a crispy dosa, and have it all summarized before you have even moved an inch in Bengaluru traffic. Finally, Google is completely transforming online shopping with the new Universal Cart. We all hate having 37 tabs open just to figure out which pair of sneakers or jeans is actually the best deal. Now you can seamlessly add items to a single unified Google Cart directly from search, from Google Images, or even while watching a video right here on YouTube. Pair that frictionless cart with upgraded AI virtual try-ons that actually show how clothes fit. Your online buying experience just got a whole lot smoother and vastly more dangerous for your wallet. Seriously, don't tell your spouse. Alright, so that's a wrap. So Google's message at the I.O. was loud and clear. They are firmly into the agentic era. The future belongs to AI agents that do the heavy lifting for us. Which of these 5 upgrades are you most excited about? Do let me know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button for more such deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.